Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 4.3 question number 4. A. Construct three equations starting with x is equal to 2 and B. Construct three equations starting with x is equal to minus 2. Let us find two equations. Now question number 4a. We are constructing one equation. Here it is x is equal to 2 is equal to 2. Right? If we multiply these both sides by 5, it will be 5x is equal to 2 into 5. Multiplying both sides by 5. Multiplying both sides by 5. Right? That is, we are getting 5x equal to 5x is equal to 10. Now adding 5 on both sides, adding 5 on both sides, we are getting 5x plus 5 is equal to 10 plus 5, or you can say 5x plus 5 is equal to 10 plus 5, 15. This is one equation. Now we will construct another equation, that is equation number 2, that is x is equal to 2. Right? Now adding both sides by 7, and what you are getting, x plus 7 plus 7 is equal to 2 plus 7. That is comes to x plus 7 is equal to 2 plus 7 is 9. Right? Now if we x plus 7 is equal to 9, multiplying both sides by 5, what you are getting, 5 into x plus 7 is equal to 9 into 5, or you can say 5 into x plus 7 is equal to 5 9 is 45. This is another equation. Now equation number 3, we construct another equation, that is x is equal to 2. Right? First adding 5 on both sides, that is x plus 5 is equal to 2 plus 5, that is x plus 5 is equal to 7. Right? Multiplying both sides by 7, we get 7 into x plus 5 is equal to 7 into 7, or 7 into x plus 5 is equal to 7 49. Right? This is three equations of question number A, that is we are starting with x equal to 2. Now we'll solve question number B. Question number B is construct three equations starting with x equal to minus 2. Let us construct B. one equation is x is equal to minus 2. Adding 5 on both sides, we get x plus 5 is equal to minus 2 plus 5, or x plus 5 is equal to minus 2 plus 5 is 3, or multiplying both sides by 5, you will get 5 into x plus 5 is equal to 3 into 5, or you can say 5 into x plus 5 is equal to 3 5 is 15. This is one equation. Let's solve, and we will construct another equation, that is equation number 2. Here equation number 2, here we find x is equal to minus 2. Subtract minus 8 from both sides. Minus 8 from both sides. That is, subtract 8 from both sides, or plus 8, right? That is x minus 8 is equal to minus 2 minus 8 minus 2 minus 8. That is x minus 8 is equal to minus 10. Multiply by 5. Multiplying both sides by 5, multiplying both sides by 5, and we are getting 5 into x minus 8 is equal to minus 10 into 5, or you can say 5 into x minus 8 is equal to minus 5 times 50. This is another equation. Now we will construct another equation, that is 3. Here we find x is equal to minus 2. First add 10 on both sides, and we are getting x plus 10 is equal to minus 2 plus 10, or x plus 10 is equal to 8. Multiplying both sides by 5, and what you are getting, 5 into x plus 10 is equal to 8 into 5. That is 5 into x plus 10 is equal to 5 8 40. Right? Therefore, we have construct 3 equations for A and 3 equations for B. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.